ആർ യു വൈദ്യ എന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. വെൽക്കം ടു ആർ യു വൈദ്യ. Today we are going to deal with the topic Dravyaguna topic, which was dealt in second year BAMS as per CCAM syllabus. So just start with Dravyaguna topic, how we can study drugs in a easy manner and in a systemic manner. So I am starting with my topic, how to study Dravyaguna subject in a easy manner, in a systematic and pass in exams. So we are doing, first we should do the drugs in classification basis. We should first maximum try to classify the drugs in different groups by according to the tricks. Just first trick is just knowing about the class, how we can do and how classification we can do. I will just tell you first classification on the basis of Lada. Lada means creeper, Lada, creeper. Next one is Gulma. Gulma is shrub. And next one is Chote Vrisha. Chote means small, that is 10 to 15 feet. Then it is Madhyama Vrisha. Madhyama Vrisha is 20 to 40 feet. And next is what? Bede Vrisha. Bede means big. Bede means big. And Shubha. Shubha is herb. It's a herb actually. So I have told you how you can easily classify the drugs on this basis classification. So we are going detail to the topic. Before going to topic, we should study some basics of Dravyaguna. So I am starting with the topic common features of herbs. What are common features of herbs? First is common features of herbs are short sized plant with soft green delicate stem without the woody tissues, and complete their life cycle within 1 or 2 sections, and they have few branches or are branchless, and mostly panchang is used because of small size, and these can be easily uprooted from the soil. And the common features of shrubs are medium sized woody plants. Height usually ranges between 6 to 10 meter or 20 feet to 33 feet. And features include bushy, hardy and woody stems with many branches. And the branch color is greenish brown, and which have broad leaves, lack of a trunk. Their branch near the ground and hence do not have a well-defined trunk. And they grow in all types of soil, and the stems are hard and they are flexible but not fragile. And the lifespan of these plants are for many years, and mostly root, flower and stem are main useful parts of these types of plants. And what are the common features of a tree? They are very thick and woody and hard stems and called the trunk, and they have bark color is ash brown color, and single main stem or the trunk gives rise to many branches that bear leaves and flowers and fruits. And lifespan of trees are very large, that is for several years. We know that the tree will grow several years and it will die after many years. Even we die, the tree won't die. So mostly the useful part are bark and fruit and seed. And the features of a creeper. What is a creeper? The climber, which have a very thin, long and weak stem which cannot stand upright, but they can use external support to grow vertically and carry their weight. And they produce fiber like roots. They have a fiber like roots arising from the base of the stem. From the base stem it's arising, and they have very fragile, long and thin stems, and the part used are leaves, stem, And these are the general features that you are studying BAMS in Dravyaguna. You should remember that. Now let's deal with Lada, creeper. Which kind of plants will come under creeper section? Actually, I have sloga. I am not going to sloga because it will bore you. So I will just tell the names. You can just remember these names because these are the creepers in our CCM syllabus. So just remember some of the plants which I deal, that is Lada, creeper. So first one is Pippali. We all know Piper longum, Pippali. So just starting is Pippali, then Brahmi we know, and then Kapikachu, and Manjishta, then Guduchi, then Sariva, Jodishmadi, Trivarth, and Vidari. These are the plants which are creepers. And next we move on to, so I am going to shrub. What is shrub? Shrub, I have told it is a small plant. So shrub, what kind of plants will come under shrub? Just give a glance idea. That is Vasa, then Erenda, Kumari, Daruharidra, Ashwagandha, Sairega, Barangi, Sarpagandha, Arka, Dadagi. These are plants which come under shrub. And what about Chote Vrisha? That is 10 to 15 feet. So it will come under Nirgundi. You know Nirgundi, Vitis negundo. And next is Rohidaka and Kambillaga, Madanafala, Dadima, Gambari, Twak, Kadugi. These are drugs which will come under Chote Vrisha. And then we move on to Madhyama Vrisha. In Madhyama Vrisha it will come Jambu, Ashoga, Kubilu, Lavanga, Varuna, Karpura, Amalaki, Chadifala, Chandana, Bilva, Kanchanara, Nagakesara, Agnimanda. These are things which will come under the Madhyama Vrisha. And we move on to Bede Vrisha, big trees. Big trees are Salmale, Bijaga, Shonaga, Nimba, and Haridaki, Bividaki, Agaru, Padala, Arjuna, Devadaru, Talisapatra. These all come under Beda Vrisha. And we go to herb, Shubha. Shubha types of plants are Tulasi, Rasna, Adivisha, Abamarga, Ashwagandha, Kadugi, Ahifena, Kandagari, Gugulu, Sarpagandha, Chitraga, Bela, Mandugaparni, Estimadu, Sundi, Haridra, Vassanafa, Kushta, Kokshura, Ela, and Punarnava. These are the drugs which come under the Shubha, herbs. So today's class we are dealing with this much classification. I hope you all have given some knowledge, a little knowledge about the Dravyaguna subject, how to deal, and we are moving on to next episode with easy trick to study the botanical names. Before seeing you, if you like my video, you just support, you just subscribe my channel if you are watching for the first time, and just click on the bell icon so that you will get notified after I am doing the video uploading. So you just notify it, and after seeing you after some moments, a goodbye, and from RU Vaidya YouTube channel, bye.